Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Decide your book concept and target age, for example ages 6 to 9 years. Choose a physical size like 8, 5x 11 inches and plan 20 pages total. Outline core gameplay and learning goals, focusing on clear player actions per page maximum. Decide materials early. Consider cardstock for durability and stickers for rewards during play sessions. Sketch 3 sample pages showing layout for rules, art, and scoring per player board. Set a simple production budget, like 0 to 00, for prototype. Create a paper prototype using 20 or fewer pages and temporary components like tokens. Use simple scoring like points from 1 to 10 and timed rounds per game. Playtest with 5 to 10 players across 3 sessions to gather feedback and notes. Record issues about balance, clarity, and enjoyment in a spreadsheet or notebook for review. Iterate designs quickly. Change rules, art, or rewards between each session to improve play. Test readability at normal distance, with 10-point to 14-point text sizes minimum. Finalize art files at 300 dpi and set bleed to 0, 125 inches per edge. Export PDFs with embedded fonts and CMYK color for accurate printing results and proofs. Order a short print run of 25 to 100 copies to validate production quality. Price your book using cost plus margin, for example cost plus 50% margin. Set distribution channels, direct sales, local stores, and print-on-demand services like Shopify or Lulu. Create a short instruction sheet and a quick start page of 2 pages maximum only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.